Welcome back, guys, and today I want to show you how I am going to breathe a new life into my old Android phone. Let's get started. So this is my Samsung Galaxy Core from 2013, and not a lot of apps are supported on it, as this phone is running decade-old Android 4.1.2. So today I decided to update it unofficially, as I did not receive any updates officially. So to start, I have to power off the device, and then I will have to boot it into download mode, also called as Odin mode. So I have to press and hold volume down, home, and power buttons until this warning message appears, and we have to confirm all this stuff, volume up, and we should be good to go. So now I'm going to connect this to a computer, just like this, and I'm gonna choose a recovery flashable file in Odin 3. Odin 3 is the program that helps you flash custom images to your phone. And in top left corner it should say pass when it's done, and yeah, I just skipped this thing here. I'll deboot it into TWRP mode, and I'm gonna flash Lineage OS from right over here, just like that. I'm gonna wait a bit and be right back. As you can see, everything's done. I have to just wipe the phone, like the user data, clean all the cache and stuff, and I'm just going to reboot the phone normally, just like that, and wait till it boots. As you can see, phone is done booting, and I'm just going to have to set the phone up. Yeah, I'll just skip the Wi-Fi. Yes, and yeah, no, I don't want to send any diagnostics, but I want to be secure, so I'm gonna check mark this, and yes, we're basically done here on brand new newer Android OS. This is Android 6.0.1, which is not the newest version of Android, but it is still newer than Android 4.1.2, and I'm still going to install some apps, more apps, than it was possible for updating this. So there we have it, unofficially updated, almost a decade-old phone, and hope you enjoyed it. See you again.